In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Bluehost coupon code that will give you a Bluehost discount on Bluehost web hosting for up to 70% off plus a free domain name. I'm going to walk you through the steps to get the Bluehost discount so you can save some extra money on your Bluehost web hosting purchase. To get your Bluehost coupon code discount, click the link below in the description and the discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Bluehost discount. Now let me walk you through the steps to getting the Bluehost discount plus your free domain name. Once you click the link in the description, it'll take you to the Bluehost homepage. You'll see the Bluehost hosting price showing $295. Click the Get Started button. You'll now see 3 different plans you can choose from: the Basic, Plus, and Choice Plus plan. You'll see you can get hosting for as low as $295 a month with the Basic plan, $545 a month with the Plus plan, and $545 a month with the Choice Plus plan. Once you hit the select button on the plan you want to go with, you'll be able to choose a free domain name. If you aren't sure on a domain name at the moment, you can click the Create My Domain Later button. You can then choose a free domain name when you have it picked out at a later time in the Bluehost Dashboard. Once you complete this step, you'll now be directed to a page where you will enter your account information. Below that, you'll see Package Information. Under Account Plan, you can choose the term for your Bluehost web hosting purchase. You'll get the greatest discount on the 12-month term. Next, select any package extras you like and enter your payment information details. At this point, you have successfully purchased Bluehost hosting and taken advantage of the Bluehost discount. Thanks for watching, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more hosting video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.